ears you failed to hear, they were whispering to you before you were gone. If only I knew a way to let go. Now I have nowhere else to go. Moments sealed in Polaroids. If only I could keep your heart inside. I don't mind, even if you made me cry. Can't you hear my heart's calling out to you? You fade into the distance while my heart struggles behind. Then I would have said, no, please don't go.
Hi, my name is Samuel. So I think freestyle is really important because it's really discovering how honest you can be as a dancer and also as a person. It's about making many decisions for yourself and being the most honest that you can be, or you try to be, or you choose to be. So I think for dancers, especially for contemporary and jazz dancers, we don't really freestyle so much. We often go for classes and we train a lot, but we don't really have the chance to freestyle, and I think it's something that Singaporean dancers we can definitely explore more. So that's just my take on it. So the reason why I actually chose this song is by Jin Go. It's called Heart's Murmur. I really liked it. It was one of the first few original works in 2012, and the lyrics really spoke to me. And of course, we must all support local because her music is really, really good, and everybody should go and listen to it. Yeah, so that's it.